Hi everybody, it's Gail Kessler at Ladyfingers Sewing. Of course, it's another beautiful day here in Ole, Pennsylvania, partially because of the weather, but also because we got a fresh new batch of fabrics that just came in, and I believe this is Peppered Cotton by Pepper Corey for Studio E, which is a Javtex product. All of you know how much I love the shot cottons. Shot cottons are a very special woven fabric, and of course at Ladyfingers we only carry the highest quality. So this particular product is shot cotton, Peppered Cotton by Pepper Corey. The reason we call it shot cotton is because the threads that comprise the fabric are woven, the warp and the weft are actually two different colors. So you get the third color when they're combined, and it gives this really nice effect that adds a certain dimension instead of just a regular solid. We carry all the colors that Peppered Cotton comes in, and we just got in a new shipment. So this is color 67 of Peppered Cotton, and I just want to show you how these are done, because the effect, rather than using a straight up solid, and there's nothing wrong with doing that, the shot cottons, you can see the edge is actually a purple thread, which is the warp of the weft, and then the opposite thread, you can barely see it, but it's almost like a very light turquoise. Isn't that amazing? So when you combine those threads and those threads together in the weave, it creates this color that is luminous and quite beautiful. So Peppered Cotton comes in a slew of colors, and at Ladyfingers we carry all of them. The packaging, which is really nicely done by the way, Scott. You can see here's another good example of how the threads going this way are bright green, and then the threads going the opposite way are actually almost a navy purple, like a dark purple, and you get this really cool effect in the finished cloth. So I'm just going to grab these so you can see what a nice assortment came in, and there's a couple more boxes of these. So if you're interested in stocking up on Peppered Cotton, now's the time. They are already on our website, and when I get a moment I'll try to get some bundles done for you. But you know what? Yardage is always a good thing. Look at these beautiful colors. Okay.